was called a man. When it all took a turn for the worse from the moan diminishing returns. The sea had brought me some fame. I'd been hoping for more of the same. Now I had to readjust my aim. And then long and boring, a period of calm. I'd do anything, me and my companion, a Portuguese water dawn in his finest years. I'd do anything, faithful and hardworking, in someone else's service. We're bound to spend our days for the young and the restless. We live a few empty waves. 5th of August I sighted land. Now I ask you if I can tie my boat, even leave it in the sand. The sea had brought me some fame. I've been hoping for more of the same.